Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm so excited. I finally got the spoilers for the Ice Cream Beauty bag and box for the month of November. I can't wait to share them with you. I'm so sorry it took so long. I had reached out a few times to Ice Cream and, you know, she just responded and was like, I'm sorry, I've been so hectic and busy. She just didn't have time to get the spoilers to me. So it was just a little bit of delay, but we finally got them. So really quick before we get into the spoilers, if you're not familiar with the Ice Cream Beauty bag, it's $12.50 a month plus shipping, so it's like $17 a month for the bag. You get 3 to 5 full-size items, and the box is $25 a month. You get 5 to 7 full-size items, and you're guaranteed a palette in every box. There is an international shipping fee, and I believe it's $10, but I will double check and have everything listed in the description box for you. As always, you can use my code Michelle10 and that's going to save you 10% off your first subscription order. It's not a code that I make anything off of, it's just a code to save you a little bit of money when you first sign up. Also, if you like my spoilers, please make sure you're giving me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you subscribe. If you feel like sharing this video, I appreciate it. And also, if you ring the notification bell, it'll notify you every time I upload. I upload at least twice a week, but it is on different days. Quick little side note, I did film this makeup look, the full look, so that will be up very soon, just in case anybody's interested in today's look. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the Ice Cream bag spoilers. So of course, I'm going to start with the star of the show, and that is always the palette for me. And this month, you're going to be receiving a palette from Mirabella Beauty. Now, this is going to be an 8-pan palette, super cute little palette. This is a limited edition studio palette. You're going to get some blues, some browns. It's a really cute little fall palette. Nice little everyday you could keep on your makeup stand. So a spoiler 2 for the bag is going to be a product from Italia Deluxe. And this is going to be a cheek tint. So there is different shades. This isn't necessarily the shade that you're going to get. But I love that. I love that you're going to get a cream blush. Super cool that you're getting an eyeshadow palette and a blush. And then last but certainly not least is going to be a product from Bella Pierre. I love this brand. And this is going to be a lip oil kit. And you're going to get 5 lip oils. They're going to be fruit scented. So you're going to get a cherry, a grape, a peach, a strawberry, and a watermelon in this kit. Super cute, just in time for the winter months. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the box. I'm super excited for the box. Now, I don't get the bag, I just get the box. And of course, we're going to start with the star of the show, which is always the palette. And this is going to be a Saint, Angels, and Sinners eyeshadow palette. This is a collaboration palette with Ice Cream Beauty. And this is the Friendsgiving palette. So cute. So this is going to be a 12-pan palette. It's going to have 5 duochromes, which are my favorite. I love duochromes. 1 shimmer and 6 mattes. There's berry tones in here. There's purples, browns, greens. There's a black. I absolutely love the color story. This palette is right up my alley and I'm so excited to get it. If you only got this eyeshadow palette, it would totally be worth it. So spoiler number 2 for the Ice Cream Beauty box is going to be a product from ZC Cosmetics. And this is going to be a liquid eyeliner in the shade Cherry Red. Now this is actually going to go really nicely with the eyeshadow palette. I'm happy to get this. I love to get new eyeliners, especially colored eyeliners, because I have really been loving to like pair them with my eyeshadow looks, especially when you can get a color that's pretty close to your eyeshadow look. It all kind of blends in, but it does give you that little pop of extra something. So I've really been enjoying the colored eyeliners. Spoiler number 3 for the Ice Cream Beauty box is going to be a product from Mirabella Beauty. And this is going to be a retinol replenishing serum. If you know me, you know I don't really love to get skincare in my boxes. It's okay products. I probably will use it, but I'm usually not that crazy about getting skincare just because I have such sensitive skin. Sometimes it's hard for me to switch up my skincare products because once my skin gets used to something, and it doesn't break me out or flare my skin up, I don't like to switch it a lot. So this is you know, I'm not too excited about it, but hopefully it surprises me because I have received some skincare products that do surprise me. So we'll see if this one does. But Overall, in the Ice Cream Beauty box, you really don't get a lot of skincare, so that's why I really don't mind. It's not like your Ipsy or boxycharm. You're not getting like 3 or 4 skincare products, so that's why I don't mind every once in a while. Okay, so spoiler number 4 from Ice Cream Beauty is going to be a product from Beauty Moon Cosmetics. Now, we have received an eyeshadow palette from them, and their formula is so nice. I'm excited to get this loose pigment. So this is going to be a duochrome loose pigment, and this kind of looks like it shifts from like your pinks to your golds, so really pretty. I'm excited for it, especially coming from Beauty Moon Cosmetics. I know their formula, so I'm excited to try out their loose pigments. And the 5th and final spoiler for the Ice Cream Beauty box is going to be a product from Delancey, and this is going to be a blush. Now, this is a powdered blush, and we're going to be receiving 1 of the 4 shades. I'm excited about this. Again, I do love receiving blushes, so I'm excited to get one of these shades. And all 4 of them look like they will go really nicely with the eyeshadow palette as well, so great job coordinating this box this month. Of course, you know I'm going to say I am most excited for the eyeshadow palette. But as always, girl, let me know what are you most excited for. I love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!